welcome guys to the Mawete family. It's your girl Precious.
And it's your boy Roger.
Yes guys, today I'm going to be doing makeup on my husband. Hey, I'm going to be transforming this handsome face into a beautiful face. Where are you?
Guys, this wasn't my idea. You know, when the other video when I did her makeup, she said she's going to revenge. So
No, this is not a revenge. Actually, I really can't wait truly to see him with makeup for the first time.
Guys, watch this. You see, if I look handsome, it's okay. If I look beautiful, it's okay.
Yes guys, we're going to dive into this video right now. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification on. Let's get into it. Yes guys, this is my makeup kit. Guess what? I'm going to use everything that is here on his face. You know, I'm not a makeup artist, guys. I also even go out to do my own makeup, but today everything that is in here has to go in his face, like that we see the real transformation. So we are going to start right away.
Guys, be there as a security.
You look more beautiful, my friends.
So guys, this is going to be my first time to do makeup. In fact, I didn't know that men do makeup, but my wife said men do makeup. I said, okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one. I like trying new things. But when she says this is not a makeup artist, I'm worried. So I'm putting my I'm putting my face, but it's a good risk. It's a risk. So
it's
be there.
Okay.
If I see things are not coming out, I'll run away.
So guys, I'm going to start by wiping his face, such that there is no any oil. You see? What?
It's already feeling abnormal.
I even wipe the head as well.
Even the head, you do makeup there?
Yes. You don't know, I'm going to do even your head. So guys, I'm going to start with the eyebrows, the most hardest part of all. Yeah. Look here, my friend. Why? You should not fold this one.
I'm afraid.
You're afraid of what? Trust your makeup artist, my friend.
I'm afraid.
I have this Hold Morning waterproof eyeliner. I want to try this waterproof eyeliner on him. You see, I'm even trying things I've never used before. Let's see. Yeah. Why are you tensing?
The risk of not I don't know if the risk is worth it.
It is very worth it, guys. But you know the problem with me, his eyebrows are not trimmed, so yeah, my beautiful. Yes, eyebrows done. Now let's move to the now guys, we are going to apply the foundation. I'm going to start with Pro Conceal. Yes, I'm going to start with Pro Conceal.
Even the word Pro Conceal is scary.
Scared what? We are going to start with this, guys. That's what we are going to apply on his face, such that when we start applying our powder, it doesn't.
This is what you go through always.
Go through always what? It came out a lot.
Like, this is what you go through.
This one will make the face powder to stick. You know, we want to transform you and you see how beautiful you are after this. Guys, you're going to see how amazing this husband of mine will look. So this one, the egg one, you beat. I'm going to beat very well. My husband, the way you look.
I don't want to imagine.
You look so beautiful.
I don't want to imagine.
Guys, he looks very beautiful, this one. People will tell you how beautiful you are looking.
This is what you go through. My God.
What you go through now? You're just relaxing there.
I feel uncomfortable everywhere.
Yes, guys, I'm done with this one. I'm going to apply now the powder.
I fear even to look in the camera.
No, you can't fear. I'm going to transform you beautifully. The only thing I made, I'm sure I made an error because we were tensing with the eyebrows, but we'll fix them. Now let's go to the face powder when the concealer is still intact.
My God.
Look at this beautiful, this handsome. From today we'll call you Miss Knowledge. Guys, this is amazing. Guys. My husband looks good. He looks fantasmagorious, my friend. He looks so beautiful. We are done with this phase. So guys, now we are going to the eyeshadow. Now he's complaining that I feel uncomfortable.
I feel uncomfortable.
Which color guys blends very well here? Let me put glitters. Glitters, they do.
They all are going to be sick.
I'm doing the eyelids now, so which is why are you laughing?
This is a revenge.
No, revenge what? I'm transforming you. Want to see how you look in makeup, my friend? Yeah, guys, it looks so beautiful. Even ladies, if they see you, they'll run for you, my friend.
I didn't sign up for it.
You signed up for what? You signed up for this. You did mine, I do yours as well. What is wrong with that? Guys, it looks so wonderful.
I don't want to look in the camera.
Look in the camera, what? Your eyelids are too big, but it's okay. Look here. Wow. So now we are going to lips.
Lips? Even lips?
Yes. There's no complete makeup without lips. So look. You know what? I'm thinking of doing him a shade something. Should I do I should do paper.
If I knew that this is what is going to be.
You see, I'm now doing even on your beard. Sit still, my friend. Let the makeup artist do. Yay! This is wonderful. So wonderful, guys. My beautiful Nini. Now we are going. Let me apply some gloss. Should I apply this or the brown one? No. Let me apply the brown one. When I put, you're going to do, open your mouth. Open your mouth. I want you to squeeze. Wait. Let me finish here. Guys, I'm not a makeup artist, but I want you to look, open your eyes. You're going to.
I don't eat them.
This one is refusing to go. But anyway, guys, yes. Look. Do again what I told you to do. Yes. I'm just going to put a black.
I've never felt uncomfortable like this before.
I'm going to put a black lip lining such that on top, such that when he does what he does, it looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, do again.
Mama.
Wonderful. Perfect. So guys, it looks like you want to cry. But anyway, I'm done. Let me also oil his head. This is hair oil. Just a bit. Such that you look complete. You wanted it to stop in the middle. Can you imagine? You can't. This is wonderful. Wonderful.
Wonderful when someone is feeling uncomfortable.
Yes. Yeah, guys, I heard this, that whatever you do to the face, do to the neck. So let me just put some powder, do this a bit.
What? Neck?
No, here, just a bit here. So guys, ta-da! Hey, show people your face. No, go closer to the camera. How did I do, guys? How does he look? No, go closer. Show people the outcome. See that? Just go closer to the camera. A bit. for people. No, stand
They
up.
have seen.
No, they have not.
They have seen.
So guys, he was refusing, so I decided, let me take you. This is the final outcome. Yeah, how did I do? Look aside the other way around. Can you smile? Cheese, cheese. Hey, look. Ah, guys, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful he is. Wow, wow. Yes, guys, we have come to the end of our makeup. Can you imagine he even refused to look at himself on the mirror? How can you refuse to look at this beautiful face?
You close the video, we go.
It's okay, guys. See you in our next lit video. Love you. Mwah.